everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. So in today's video I am finally doing a Q&A video. I recently asked for my Instagram if you guys have any question for me, and I got couple of questions, so I thought of making a YouTube video of it. So here I am answering some of your questions, and yeah, that's all. Without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. So I have written down all the questions right here, so I'm gonna answer one by one. So the first question I got is from Mansi, and that is my Bhabhi. She asked that share your best and worst memory from your childhood. Now fortunately I always had a best childhood because I was really a pampered child, and I always had very good childhood and people around me. So I really don't have anything which I can point out like this was the best memory, because everything was best. And if I talk about my worst memory, then it has to be when my dada left us. Like, I was really close to him and I really couldn't take it really well when he left us all. So yeah, that has to be my worst memory from my childhood. Now next question is from Rosina, and she asked why so beautiful. I don't know. I'm not beautiful. I don't think I'm beautiful. I'm sorry, girls. Please don't get offended, but I'm not going to accept compliments. It's very difficult for me to accept a compliment. So yeah. And if you still think that I'm beautiful, then credit goes to my mama and papa. I can't say much about that. Okay, so next question is from Shakshi, and she says that we miss you, Ekta Didi. Do you miss us? Obviously, girl, I miss you guys so much. Like, we had so much fun together. I really looking forward to do that again with you once. And then she asked me, how's quarantine going for you? Quarantine isn't that bad for me because I'm anyway not someone who would go out on every Sunday and stuff like that. So I'm all cool. The only drawback for me is that I'm not able to meet Vivek. I haven't met him for 4 months, and that's something really, trolls me sometimes. So yeah, that's the only thing. Other than that, I have food to eat. I can sleep properly. So yeah, quarantine is good for me. She also says that when are you coming to Mumbai? I don't know, but I really want to. Oh my god, so sorry about the construction noise, girls. I don't know why they have to start doing it in the noontime, dude. I'm so sorry about that. Please bear with me. So yeah, I still wanna come to Mumbai. That will be the first thing I might do when the quarantine and whole lockdown would get over. Because I wanna shop so much. I wanna explore Mumbai even more. If you don't know me, you must don't know that how much love I have for Mumbai. So Mumbai is my day literally. So yeah, that's why I will try to come Mumbai as soon as possible. Now the next question is from Khushi, and she asked, how did you and Vivek Jijaji met? Now that is something I would answer when he will be with me. So I would answer this question when I will film a video with him. So stay tuned for that and wait for that video to come up. Even Suman asked the same question, that how did you guys meet? So yeah, I'm gonna answer that in a separate video with him, hopefully. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I know you guys gonna hate me for the noise, but I can't help it क्योंकि शाम को फिर ये नेचुरल सनलाइट भी चली जाएगी, मैं कैसे फिल्म करूँगी? So sorry dude, so sorry. Please एक बार चला लो, next time से I will make sure कि कुछ आवाज़ें नहीं चल रही आसपास. So the next question is from Prachi, and she asked कि what's your most embarrassing childhood memory? I clearly remember. Oh God, can you stop for once? I don't think they are stopping. So I clearly remember this worst memory, or I can say embarrassing memory. So what happened was, I was in my school, like in my class, and whole class was there, and because of some stupid issue, I kind of step up on my chair and doing something, and then I fell down in front of everyone, and that has to be the embarrassing moment I can remember, because it was so funny. Everybody started laughing. Instead of picking me up, they all started laughing. So yeah, it was a funny and embarrassing moment, I can totally say that. Now Sagar asked, how are you, Didi? I wasn't expecting a question from you, but yeah, I'm doing very well. I am very good and life is doing very great. So Sagar is like, it was this small, like it was this much when we were together, and now he has grown up to be very big guy and very mature. So yeah, best of luck for your life, dude. Keep going, and yeah, always respect your mama and papa because they are the best. Now Ishita asks, when are you coming to Bombay? Why? क्यों करते हो आप जले पे नमक क्यों छिड़कते हो ऐसे सवाल पूछ के? I wanna come यार. I'm just waiting for this corona to end and then I will come there, probably do so much of shopping and yeah, and meet you obviously. Thank you for asking though. I hope you are also doing great and well in your life. So the next question is from Sima Kumari and she says, your skincare routine. I am planning to do one. I don't know how, but you guys really are liking my skin and hair a lot, so in all of my videos. So I might do a skin. I don't follow a very a lengthy process, but I do quite a few things for my skin and I would totally mention that in some of the videos. I might just make a separate video for my skincare. So yeah, wait for my video and you will know my skincare routine. So the Suvarna Chaudhary says, what's your next video is about? I guess this is my next video. It's a Q&A video, and if you're asking me what I will do after the Q&A video, then I might say I am planning to do my shoe collection video, like footwear collection. So yeah, that can be my next video. She also says that just wanted to say your videos are amazing. Thank you, girl. I totally am noticing the efforts you and the other girls are doing, and thank you so much for appreciating that. Really means a lot to me. The next couple of questions are from Sonakshi and she has asked like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 questions. So I'm gonna answer all of them. So the first question is, आपको YouTube में आने का ख्याल कैसे आया? Honestly, I don't remember when and why I started YouTube, but my first video is about me in snow, I guess, when I was in Manali, and I filmed a little clip and I thought of posting it online just for my memory. Honestly, even now all of my vlogs are for my memories, so I remember opening my YouTube channel for my memory, and then it went like how it is going right now. Then she asked, which language you love more, Hindi or English? If you're talking about my love for language, then I would say I love all the language and I have desperate need of learning new different languages because I love gathering the knowledge that way. Now, if you ask me if I love Hindi or English, then I can say that I'm neither comfortable in Hindi nor in English because I'm not at all fluent in English at all, and I am totally aware about that. But I'm trying to learn that day by day. The reason is I am from Gujarati medium student and I never had any exposure around me. Okay, I can talk to people in English, or I never had any practice. It's all because of YouTube or Netflix. I can say that I am able to speak whatever I'm able to speak, but it's a desperate need for me to learn a fluent English and to be able to communicate fluently in English. So that's my biggest goal in my life right now. Shunakshi also asked your favorite YouTuber. I'm sorry, but I can't point out only one YouTuber because YouTube is what I am today. Like I learn, I can totally say 70% of my knowledge has come from YouTube. Be it cooking related, be it makeup related, be it fashion related, be it English related, everything I have learned from YouTube and the different YouTubers. So I can't point out one YouTuber, but I can mention what I watch usually on YouTube. So there is Flying Beast, then BBK Vines, then Sejal Kumar, Malvika Singh, Malvika Sitlani, Shreya Jain, then we have, can't really remember. There are so many YouTubers. I spend all of my time on YouTube. So yeah. She also mentioned, what's your dream YouTube ke alawa? That's a very good question, I would say. Now, other than YouTube, what I used to dream was I really wanted to work with aviation and maybe on airport ground staff or something like that. It was my biggest dream to be a part of aviation industry, but sadly I couldn't really do that. So right now now YouTube isn't really my dream or something like that. It's just my passion. I like doing what I'm doing, so yeah, that's there. And if you ask me what's other than YouTube, then I can totally say that to make my family happy with me, like to take care of my family and do household work. Yes, it might sound very weird and very different, but I really love taking care of my home and people around me and being that um, good good girl or a girl who works. Okay, so the next question from Sonakshi is, what's your hobby? uh, Hobby, okay, I love reading books. I have really stopped reading them, which I'm very guilty about. I should start reading them again, but reading book has always been a priority to me. I would always take time to read books, and it also has helped me a lot in my life in different ways. So yeah, reading book has to be my favorite hobby. Then I also like swimming, but I also started going to take swimming classes, but that also couldn't happen properly. So but still I love swimming, so swimming can be there. Then I love, like I recently started loving working out, so that also includes in my hobbies. Now the last question from Shonakshi is, आप YouTube के अलावा क्या करती हो, study or job? Now I'm done with my studies. I'm BCom graduate. Then I did 2 different diploma courses in financial management and materials management. Then I also opted for a job, like I was working in a college in my admin department, but then I also left that for some reason. Now I'm not doing anything other than studies, other than YouTube. I'm only doing YouTube, and this is not my job, girls. This is my passion. This is what I'm doing for the love of my life. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm not doing anything other than YouTube. I'm only doing Ghar Ka Kaam and doing YouTube. Now the next question is from Zia, and she asked, tell us your Mumbai stories. How did you spend your days with us? From where do you want me to start? Like there are n number of stories and n number of things we did together. The time I spent in Mumbai was amazing. It molded me in very different way and in very good way. So I'm always gonna be grateful for taking that decision and living with you guys for a few months. And about the memories, oh my god, I love everything we did together, like all our late night masti and late night dramas and everything, all our secrets and everything was just amazing, and I'm looking forward to do that again with you. Now Hitiksha asks, which brand of eyeliner is best? I can say Maybelline Colossal Sketch Liners. That is very good because I am not good with liners if it's not a sketch liner, so I have to have sketch liners, and it costs around 495 rupees or something. If you wanna go a little lower than this, then go for Blue Heaven sketch liner. It's amazing, trust me, it's very good, and it is the best liner there in the affordable market. So go for Blue Heaven sketch liner. Now the next question is from Nandini, and she asks comments on nepotism. I mean, what should we say? I really don't know. Like, nepotism exists everywhere. Like, we have grown up seeing it around us. Like, not just in entertainment and industry, it's there in sports. It's definitely there in politics. It's there everywhere, and it should not be there because as you must be aware, like what happened to Sushant, and it can happen to so many of us if it continues going there. So just try and not to support such kind of act. Like, just don't support that and try to encourage people around you with real talent. We have another question from my bhabhi Mansi, and she asked, your plan after 1000 subscribers? Well, you have to plan that. You have to throw me a party and yeah, everything. Like, you know how much I need to reach 1000 subscribers. So yeah, you have to throw me a party when I reach 1000 subscribers. Now the next question is from Jiu, and she asked how to repair permanent straighten damaged hair. She asked this because she knows that I went ahead and did chemically permanent straightening, and she knows that I had done it. That's why she asked. Now for me, what worked was I did that permanent straightening thing when my hair length was very long. Like, it literally touches it used to touch my waist when I did that. So what happens is you have reached your final level of hair growing. So when you do straightening, then no new hair is going to grow back because you have reached the maximum limit of your hair growth. So that works. because that way it will last you longer, like it will last longer if you do on your lengthy hair. So after, like, it lasted me around 2 to 3 years, and that is really a huge number if you ask anyone who has straightened their hair. So after it started going back to my original and natural natural texture, what I did was I started chopping it off. Now chopping off is the only way if you don't want to straighten it again. So just let it grow and start keep chopping until you reach here, and you are only left with all your natural hair. Now these are my natural hair, obviously, because I have chopped off all the straightening hair I had on my hair. We are finally on our last question for this video, and that is from Trust Me I'm a Liar, and she asked, where you see yourself in next 2 years? I see myself married, hopefully. Vivek, if you're watching this video, I really want to get married soon, so let's get married now. It's been really long time we have been dating. So yeah, that's what I definitely see in 2 years, and then be taking care of both of my family, like my in-laws family and my mama, papa, bhaiya, bhabhi and bhaiya. So yeah, that I will be doing. Then I might have crossed 5,000 subscribers in YouTube till then, and we will be in a world free of corona and no need to wear masks. That's all I can think about it right now. So that was all for today's video. I hope I have covered all of your questions, and thank you so much for asking such lovely questions. And yeah, thank you for watching till now, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and share this with your friends and family. Comment down below if you have any further question. I will try to cover that in next video. So yeah, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys showed in my last giveaway video, and I'm really overwhelmed with all the response, guys. It's very huge for me. Thank you once again. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.